Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Link by EarGo Bluetooth Earbud Hearing Aid earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not making sound or not working, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or they're failing to pair or sync with your Bluetooth devices, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to set these up on a new device, or just for whatever reason you want to be able to set these up as if they were brand new coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. We just need to put our earbuds in the charger as shown here, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the charger button for at least 10 seconds. And we'll know that it's worked when the indicator light will pulse white, indicating that it's been reset, and the Bluetooth pairing will be deleted off the device, and then you can put it back in pairing mode and set them up as a new set of earbuds.